small thing, they don't hit woman. Oh, when me in a jag face or something happen to a body go up yaka way. Now you see and you can't like her. Any small thing, they don't hit woman. Any small thing, as I say you be their picking. They go fuck you. Now they useless, so they are very useless. Now they don't get job. Now they nothing to write home about. Now they no go fee help you. Now they are pricks small. Ekinya woo. Now they no get nothing to show, nothing to contribute as the head of house. And on top of all those rubbish, you will see raise your hand. See my bro, when he put 2022 now, why end up in a prison? Make una no end up for prison, because I see many of una destiny for prison for this 2022. Why you that thing actually versed me when how dare you, Frank, slap a woman? Who do I saw a live video? Nigeria. And you actually doing something that you that will make you to end up in prison. But don't like her. She's not the one woman. She not be the kind of woman when you define. You live one. I buy. They're not a big person put. It's not a do or die affair. Not be today start to the fuck. Soldier go, soldier come, barrack empty the Europe now they cause crazy. When we're naked, where you na prison, you go end up. A prison we are waje. If Nigeria they cause crazy for now, I will be say, 99.9% of Nigeria, Africa, they are brutal. Because of the way they grow up. But as soon as come Europe, you say, no be so it be. And besides, how can you beat someone? You're the beat person. Beat woman, they slap her. You want slap her face, Ben. You want remove her teeth. Then I remove her compa bana ubi a compa de for you say. Uguakpa. You will say you won't come out now because if face don't bend or teeth don't come out. Why you go away? Matter who ya tie. Say na prison. Either you use your hair talk or na prison you go end up. You not see him. So you see the reason why it's not good. Cause you know if you do person picking like that. If you be animal, go learn work for where your man day. This year never start. Eh, na so it does start. You not see Nigeria. Na so we don't start and saga continue. This year woto no. You don't come back after we don't see your because me you see am do so pee. See am for the where the guy. Go and watch my video. My sugar boy just they come out. You see am he do am. Okpe amienye okogbe. Not be the same thing. You they see am, another person they do am. Is it not good? Well, what are they? Me I say me you not see am. If you need more, call my inbox and me they share am myself. More share. I say they share. Pump star they join and me they share. If you want me I show you for you now, I'll show you. Now my pekus. Did you see the Avavai? No, na the papa they see or na the papa the person when you see the Avavai, yours they come on likan, shuku, everything. Oh wow, the egg begele or come, you know, awari ame take water. Iwari ame again. White water, not be all those black dirty water that have minimum money now. White water, it worry so make you the look. I hate me who laid your hand on woman. It not be me. I hate them with passion, even better passion. Because if now so they all the men when it all them my life. One slap my hair, the other one slap here. Remove one teeth here, remove. Which teeth are for there? I can't yari monua. Or one blow my joy. All the teeth for come out. Or one give me this thing. My hair swell like this. You go see me, you see me, they carry touch your waka. You go like me. I hate them with passion. That yegan. Put her for prison, because there they belong. They be animal. Animal deserve to be in prison. This 2022, no. If you not like woman, the woman not be your kind, not be your this thing. Leave them. Who see I by force? It's not a do or die. Carry your ugbo down. Simple. Simple as a BCD. You must not hit a woman. You must not. Frank Victor, you not try. That one now wetin they forbid o. Eni wa. I they forbid them. You get lucky say na proud mom. If not, when you hear your wine, your what? I go put one for here. It go I go put my hand for here shot. Who's your what? Because I can't imagine, because I see and I say, not be say, you even contribute. Proud mom say you don't even contribute. Nothing. You even come fuck and free. Oh yeah, they Bobby buying. Are you mad? Woman, when you open like you fuck for free. Oh Bobby, make one they put them for prison. Enough is enough for those useless, mannerless, useless men. Men are gonna fuck their mama. You are born like Jinyagbe. If you no more training and you wear your butt, and you don't have to lay your hand on a woman. No good Jinya by. Many men are gonna meet their mama, gonna fuck their mama. Yeah, we jouer. If you know you don't want to be with a woman, leave her alone for you to hit her. You better still go and meet your mother and fuck your mama old pussy. Ya va jouer because I said Toto 9 she and your man gets. Ya walk jouer. Go fuck your man strinky pussy. Ya va jouer ya fan roué. Where fan roué jouer. Nou ya agbo bi ya sali jouer bi no problem ebwede. But leave people children alone. Leave people children alone. Cause I will boy. And the women make una not give the down handle. Iya wa down when see as I say this Europe is concerned. Wa avia ye ke no wa hekinya. Eke gwaro na wa via wo me ave manerinya magba. Ave aya kila be ni aja hu don. Eke waro. Proud mom, I applaud you for that, for letting Frank to go. No man have at least 3 days. Iwa kwe yeva. I will discuss I wait 3 days in no next time. You go no say woman the past woman because you can't fuck me free of charge. Then you are you ogun bijwe. We are go cook. Ipo bokbo wona you live anyway. Unari your heart. Then you raise that your filthy hand and hit her. Una you hair by free. Is it good? Is that thing good? So now don't see women rich. Anyway, 1 million. Una go fuck them free now. They go use money cook for una. Give una their body free everything. Why they be buy? Now so now you come rich. Anyway, so we go see change tactics. Eke run a viwaji. Eke run a vianima ben waje. Na ya hu waji. So that we make not receive a sense. Because you guys can't be doing this and be going scot-free. Esunu. Never. Or that's say me not tell me bow. My sugar daddy, yeah, you go do something like with the verse or the ask and something. Now me go push her. I go push her and say, come out. Now you go pay for, now you go they do everything more. You will ride like them. He has never, ever. Now they do everything. I won't do breast that day now. Anything, even one even on your way. I never walk. He has never raised his hand off me with a knock pine. EJ, they don't know what's it can. He ain't one more bonny what that day. Iwa dadabeda na iwa amu here. Oye na obole wiklomu. Iwa amu you want you put am for head. Iwa railway station buy. Okay, phone bari na ri abehe. Railway station. Ye what temu? No, you hate me. You blow me. You do anything. You carry iwa eko gege. See me for hospital first. Hospital we you want less even seen. Already I don't get you everything. No, I give any ado ya bodon ni we but wa ni re no gun gbera gbiju e. When you see I don't kote bodon you come on for there. Like are you mad? Now lazy man, woman they put for house. We are not only talking about women putting who put anybody for house. This one are just visits. We are not actually talking about who put each other for house. You the fuck woman actually open her leg, they do everything for you. You still raise that hand beaten. You be animal, you an animal. It's not good. African men don't want to agbe. And on this Facebook, proud mom, you see all of them. Na me, I do show, I do free show. You know? And now where I do. Oh, I get your toto. And my toto will be say they get. They don't see my toto. Now use and cover and none of them see my pekus. No, Eguyan. Era gbonye ke mi de. Other way so I get up because like the one of easy. Then the bug easy je ne kana wa la ona easy ogbede ne. Pomster. No, they not get me. No. Hey, you bug way. I cover. And the one where they see clothes cover. Raw. You know they. That one made the feel the shirt. That's why I say make the shirt they go make they get. You feel am? This Facebook, you must not fuck any bedside. You know many people they come my boss they say, you know why I like you. Nobody don't come and say they fuck you. And they fuck oh, and they blow. You know how they blow? Oyibo. And they blow. And they fuck. On the regular. On my man, he go fall down. He go from her here falling. Now every time they show you, must I be showing you every? Imagine I say na black and they fog like as they tell they you know how many people they would like that they wait. 2 years now, like 2 years now. It's 2 years now. Oh, I don't see your tattoo. I don't see your this, but they won't hear. I don't fuck Sarah. More. I get S before. That one, when I come social media, no. That one I proud. I dey proud of that one. What if you don't follow my page, you are not allowed to comment rubbish. You out of my page. You know they follow, you know they you know get one badge. Like on day. Top fans on day. Share on day. Who anyone who do azwo the page you can't zwo here now. And my people they are allowed. My own people they are allowed to do that. It's wrong for a man to beat a woman. Very, very wrong. Thank you. Now the matter, I tell you, sweetie, David. You all those see my top fans. You know they let them. See they carry the badge. You they look at why you badge. So now they comment quickly. You will know you do I remove you fast. You know who Romaro. Anyway, you see that the online video, you're jump enter. Now my own you want join the craze. Come for hear me, they see better people. Near me, my neck nonsense. Thank you, sweetie. Mwah. Madam. That's here. And go use and do so. And now me, you do that one so that make una forget that one. but not be so now still get the toto. Why even more? Open and now look as it be whether the color of my toto I be. You not get on more. You know how many? Oh, Sarah, you know why I like you? I like you, but you know why I like you more? We they wait, we'll hear say now so oh I fuck Sarah. Cause they were taking us as they wear pant and bra. Meaning everybody like they were many every time. They will even get evidence self because all of them when be they come. When it be they come before they won't come set me up. And just as me when I know I saw those idiot be. And I can't my toto enter this thing, but now we both side. Oh, why I blow the we both side. I also say, okay, does it reduce that? Then I go Swiss, now I go remove one. This new year, we're actually with someone so fine, young, handsome, sweet, but now Swiss color. When we they work out for here, we they here. Now once the Spanish people they know say this one not be from here. But the color was different, the skin, everything was different from Spanish on. And I they take water steady. Of course. But not be black. Maybe I will maybe, but not be live video. Proud mom. Live video, no. All this social media. Frank in webege, Frank unwe now. Lene idiot in Nigeria. Enoge baby mama gani. In a separate bank, you go see. Lene no geri o wase. Enoge tere nu he baby mama veje. Lene me enoge se. Enoge the useless stupid blishy. Me nege any wa we ni ban. Lene ri o wase ni o. It don't go for amo. As they useless read, they don't care. So that's why you have to be smart. Then you are sending here, so what? That girl, when you as you look and okay, when you again, even all one, may something just happen. May God, and I don't know, I'm not praying for anyway, but say that girl, you're doing no girl, something they concept. No, if a no girl go describe that girl Toto, in short. Oh, ben nous avec la vidéo. Ben on ri o wase metamu gwena. Na so Frank B. Na so who again? The many like that. So now that kind person who wa ye. Oh, we are no in a basket. When he mad they drop water like say tomorrow. He they even was past woman. As a woman, you're that stupid enough to open life for that kind of idiot. Now you find trouble. What go he dey bring your toto crying now you find trouble. Oh when you are locking there. Proud mom. Say from Victor now say he no record the toto because he work they too useless. Or see I find enya from distance. A distance and now vionia from distance. From distance of vionia woto. Oh, when you are lucky, don't record do we will yeah. Then you was sending him. Igu we will yeah, or my why, no why te. Oh, yeah, when you go like man when they talk any of another woman, ever no be an woman, but can have a job. Oh, yeah, no give one anyhow, then whether the woman now, any woman talk. You don't see if they talk to another woman, you know they get break. What are you going to do with that kind of a man? Not so he go do you. And you hear see no fuck. Not so he go do you. If you start with your own, you know go get break. You the pro say you no record your toto. Cause you was a very honey. The two you na mu give koko biri. If you say ni gaga bia Cameroon. I don't know what they will say. They don't like Oyibo. They don't like Oyibo. Me I like them more. I know why I suffer. I know because I imagine say they fuck. Of course they fuck. Me I be virgin. I be reverend sister when I know who they fuck. Am I a reverend sister? I be reverend sister. When I know they take oil, I know they take water. Me atamu way marry me. You know go say this said I can't lie. But you get the water when I dey take.